how to change your mobile number on Wise. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to update the mobile number linked to your Wise account, well, in this video I'll show you how to change your mobile number quickly and securely. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once inside the app, just tap on the profile icon which can be seen at the top left side. And here, once you're inside the profile section, you simply have to scroll down and tap on personal details. And now here inside the personal details, just tap on the mobile number, and after that on the new page, you just have to tap on the mobile text field and enter your new mobile. And now here, once you're done entering the new mobile number, you just have to tap on send code button, and after that the code will be sent to your new mobile number. So here simply enter the code to confirm your new number, and once verified, your Wise account will be updated with your new mobile number. And that's it. That's how you can change the mobile number on the Wise app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.